How to view street view of your house in Google Maps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it works on Android, iPhone or Samsung or any mobile. So for that we will simply go to Google Maps. Here you guys will see search option and that type of interface. So for house street view, simply search for your house address. So I will simply search for house address. So let's search for it. After searching for your house address, you will simply scroll to your house street. Here you will simply click on street etc. So I will simply select to satellite view. Now I will simply click on here. Hold that. Now here you guys will see on left side that type of pic. So simply click on that. Now wait for some seconds. Here you guys will see that type of view. So you guys can simply, if you want to check, you guys can rotate that, and also you guys will see two arrows. So simply select on one arrow and you guys will simply explore the whole area near to your house. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.